Hi, I'm Sushmita and welcome to my home. So when you enter my house, the first thing is this foyer area. So in the foyer area, we want something like Indian or ethnic touch we want to give. So this one is like the wallpaper with some Indian motifs is also there, and the color and the intricate design. I really love that one. So first thing we put that wallpaper, and it is matching with my whole home. After that we got this console table. Even I love this console. See the design of the table and the distressed finish that's given, and matching with my wallpaper also little grays in color. After that, with matching with the console table, I found this again carved mirror online only. I bought this one. I really love this design of this mirror. And there is like one very precious thing I have, almost 100 years old, like this is an antique piece, you can say. This is a water bottle, you can say this was a brass water bottle. Now we'll go to our living area. So this is actually it's a TV unit, but I didn't want a TV here in my living area. So in the place of TV, I got this mirror, this from Fab India, and this like little antique, antique finish of this mirror. So basically I want to like lots of plant here. You can see many greens here, dedicated to this side table for the plants only. Painting is so special. It's like gifted by my co-sister or sister-in-law. She's an artist and a designer. Okay, now we'll enter to my living space. This blue wall is the eye-catching one. Everyone like what is the color of the wall? So it is a Persian blue. We had selected. We didn't want like a plain white wall. That's why I choose this blue. So we choose this Persian blue color, and to matching with that, we wanted like a sofa, like with a little, create a little more drama in there. So this is your green shade in the velvet, and this armchair is my most favorite. I do spend my evening tea time here. I really love this chair. It is so comfortable and really relaxing space with my greens, and my armchair is this is my space, you can say. Now we'll enter to my dining space. It's a very small space, but it's like sufficient for our family. So we have this solid wood dining table. We got it from At Home. It is like almost 10 years old now. This solid, this color, this walnut finish, and the texture on the table is really, I really like this one, and it really go well with my interior. This painting is one of my favorite painting. We got it from Nepal. It's like life of Buddha is painted. It's hand painted on the canvas. Now we'll enter my kitchen. So this is my kitchen area. You can see white and grey. I have kept this one because of to give look like more bigger inside. And this is like one my corner thing. So I keep my chopping board and very essential things, oil bottle, this spatulas, all those things in one key, coffee maker. And here, given that this is a small wooden box kind of to give with little color, something neutral, go with the white and grey. Okay, now we enter to my the private space. You can say this is my bedroom. So there is wooden flooring in the bedroom, you can see. And so this bed is been with me from my wedding. It's made out of teak wood. So the side wood was not there, very recent. When we shifted to this new house, we made this sideboard for matching with this bed and the color of my home, this room. You can see this mirror. This was old dressing table kind of. And so we transferred this one a standing mirror, and we just kept this one rustic, raw finish. We have not polished that one. We kept to give the little rustic touch on this. And this dressing table also transferred to chest of drawer now, you can see.
Thank you for watching the video. For more such content, don't forget to subscribe to LBB's Homely newsletter.